morning. Last night we slept in the back of the car and we turned the car on, like the car heater, for like 10 minutes before we went to bed, and it stayed warm for a really long time between our wool blanket and our fleece blanket that we shared. It was much warmer, so we slept for a little bit longer because we figured
3 hours longer.
Yeah. But we figured, like, why not take a little bit better sleep tonight since we got, like, no sleep last night. So now we're gonna make some breakfast. There's bugs flying around. So we're gonna make some breakfast and maybe take a little hike and swing it from there. I don't have any specific plans, but that's our plans for now.
Fun.
Oh, also our other plans are to enjoy this freaking beautiful view. If you can see back there, like back behind those mountains, it's kind of hard to see in here, but there's like mountains behind there. Yeah, those are actually part of the glacier. Okay, after our hike to, what is it called? Svetifoss? We hiked down the hill, and now we're at these cute little grass-covered huts.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright, we made it tonight to our little campground. We went to a couple in the in town. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the town, so I'll probably just put it in the video. I'll probably just put all the names of the places in the video since I don't know how to pronounce them. But this is the mountains. So pretty. And then there's like a lake back here. And the campground is really cute. It's just like some guy's like huge backyard. And basically what he does is he basically just mowed a giant spot and built like a little lodge house, and it has like a sauna and a hot tub and like a little chill hangout area, and he charges people $20 a night per person, which is actually a really good deal for him, and it's not bad for us, I guess.
Not great.
It's not the best, but whatever. So what we've been doing while we're sleeping is we put all of our stuff that we would normally have in the trunk, we've been putting it like in the back or in the front seat. So we just like pile it all in here, and then when it's time to go to sleep, what we do is we just lay the back seats down. It doesn't look great right now, but we lay the back seats down, and then we put our pillows up there, and then we put our blankets back here. It's actually like impressively comfortable, like super comfy, especially compared to the tent, which was really loud and not like super comfy. It was fine. It was just really loud and cold. It was cold, which was our thing. So we turned the heat on at night right before we're about to go to sleep. We just like blast the heat in the car, and then it gets a little cold sometimes, but we bought a couple blankets, so that'll help. Another thing that I feel like is important to remember if you're coming to Iceland is that the nighttime is not dark. It's literally is 10:16 p.m. right now, and it is light outside. Like the sun is like shining in here. It's rough. Good night. Alright, this morning makes it our 5th morning in Iceland. 6th?
5th, I think.
5th or 6th. And we decided that we needed more groceries, so we went to the grocery store. We just went to Bonus again because it's cheap, and that's where we went before. So we kind of knew what stuff they had. But we basically just restocked on like, we got some rice cakes to put some of our peanut butter, jelly, and honey butter on. And then we also got, they had little pitas. So we got some pitas. Oh, we got apples too. We got some pita breads, and we got tuna, and a lot of people are gonna be like, ew, tuna's gross. But tuna is actually really good for you, and it's actually also super cheap, so it's kind of perfect. So we just put the tuna in a pita, and it's a perfect little sandwich.
Better with mayonnaise.
Much better with mayonnaise. It's very dry right now, but it's better than being hungry. Okay, we had to make a little pit stop. So I don't know if these roads right here, this is like, we searched it, like this is actually the roads that was in the Walter Mitty movie where he was like skateboarding like down the jagged like roads. So we had to make a little stop and check it out, and there's like a beautiful waterfall over here. There's a waterfall, and then the road.
It's
So,
one
yeah.
of my favorite movies. This is amazing.
It just like came up on the maps, like it was like Secret Life of Walter Mitty scene.
It said Walter Mitty downhill longboard. And like 10 minutes beforehand, I was like, this totally looks like the
Oh my
Walter
god,
Mitty road. I was like,
we even took a picture. We were like, just in case, we have to like take a picture so we can like compare it when we watch the movie. And then it came up and he was like, I called it. There's nobody here. Ooh, that was a good one.
Lunga has shaped my life far more than anything else. Lunga has brought me friends for a short or long time, experiences and a better understanding of the human being and the world. At Lunga, I've met people from all over with all kinds of experiences and backgrounds. People that have survived setbacks I can
It smells so bad.
I know. Making children cry.
Okay, we stopped at a
Smelly pit.
oh God, it's been blowing in my face. It smells horrible. It's like sulfur. It's like Mars out here. It's crazy. My stomach feels when it's rumbling.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just sweet. Your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Right, and here's a quick little, I guess it's the last update. The last vlog that I made, like the last little update was a couple days ago, so it's been a couple days since. I think the last one was when we were at those sulfur pods, like in the ground.
Fields.
Yeah, they were gross. I think that was the last time that I updated, but we are back in Reykjavik now, and we are now headed to an active volcano, I think, but it's like at the, oh, sorry, we're driving. It's at like the end of the active cycle, so it's basically just like steamy, dry lava now.
Hot rock.
Yeah, basically. But we met some people from Indiana who were telling us that they went there, and they said it was really cool. So Drake really wants to go see that. So that's what we're doing today, since we don't have much of a plan. And then we will probably go over. We were stopped at a gas station, and this little lady suggested this. It's like a flyover, so it's basically like a 4D movie of like a flyover of Iceland, which sounds really cool to me.
Roller coaster type thing. Looks cool.
Yeah. And then tomorrow we have to get a COVID test, and then we're going to the Blue Lagoon for a couple hours, and then we decided for our last night we were going to get a hotel. So We're staying in a hotel, cleaning up everything in the car, getting everything rounded up, and maybe try to do some laundry since we won't really want to do laundry when we get home since we're moving to our new place. But yeah, we leave on, it's Tuesday now, and we leave Friday morning. So basically we have like today and then 2 more days. Yeah, it's been a great trip. We're excited to see how this vlog turns out. Yeah, I think last words to the vlog.
Bye.
Okay. Alright, we made it to the lava fields. We were talking to somebody earlier and they said that people were like walking on this, but I can feel the heat from it right here and it smells like fireworks. So I cannot, like, you can see the smoke coming off of it. I cannot believe people were walking on this. And then people are hiking up there. I think we're gonna go up there in a minute.
Yeah, we are.
But
Oh, it's so heavy.
is it hot?
No.
It's like shiny. That's weird. It definitely feels like charcoal. I'm just in awe that people literally had the balls to walk on here.
I mean, I would.
That's so stupid. You can feel the heat and smell it from here. Good morning. Tomorrow is our last full day here in Iceland. So this morning we had to wake up and get our COVID test. Thank God that is over. I was like stressed about it
It was
for
great.
at least 3 days.
You were anxious.
Yeah. Well, I'd never gotten the nose one, so I didn't know what to expect. It really wasn't that bad.
It was not that bad.
It
I
was
kind of
like-
wish they did like my other nostril too, so they like cleaned out my nose.
He's a weirdo for that, but I'm glad it's over. So we're gonna go get coffee and hang out and try to find some Wi-Fi and just like hang out today. We don't really have anything on the agenda, but
Tomorrow
we're
though.
still
Tomorrow.
there. Tomorrow will be fun.
I'm excited.
Tomorrow we are going to Blue Lagoon for a couple hours. I don't really know. I know we bought tickets for 11 o'clock, but then I don't know how long we're allowed to stay.
I think it's like 3-hour sessions. I think. Sounds like
Pretty
that.
decent. And then after that, we are going to check into our hotel and hang out and vibe for the rest of the evening.
It's fancy.
Can't wait to see what our test results are. Both
Seriously?
vaccinated, hopefully. Hopefully they're negative. Good morning! It's our last day in Iceland.
Oh boy.
And then we get to go see Athena. And we got our bags packed and everything. And now we are pulling in to Blue Lagoon.
Good legging.
Goo Lagoon.
Goo Lagoon.
It's kind of rainy and cold out, but I think the water's warm, so that will...
Who cares?
Okay, so we're done at Blue Lagoon, and we checked into our hotel, and look how freaking nice it is. I mean, that's not the nice part, but like, this is really nice, and the shower, so nice.
Yeah, we really kind of don't deserve this, but
Those are our snacks for later. So nice. Okay, we're all packed up and we're headed to return our rental car. You've been squeaky, you've been cold, you've been uncomfortable. But you
we
did the
love
job.
you.
You did the job.
did.
So now we're headed to return that car and then we're going to the airport. It's been a great trip. Lots of memorable things have happened. Lots of memorable things have happened. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more travel videos the next time, you know, if we ever go anywhere again.